Hello. It's a beautiful day. How are all you beautiful, kind, and gentle souls today? I was just thinking and pondering, because in our healing journey, things come back up around. I was thinking about all, again, it's only a word to describe behavior, not a diagnosis or anything, but all the narcissists that I allowed into my life. Well, what I came to the conclusion of was they, in essence, were there to teach me to stop over-giving, to stop abandoning myself, to stop loving others instead of me and looking for the outside validation. In essence, through the pain, there's no denying the pain, I learned that what I was self-sacrificing for was love that I had within me. So in essence, they taught me to love myself unegotistically, because we all know the differentiation there. I probably pronounced that word wrong. I think I did. Anyway, doesn't matter. We all know what I meant. So, while you're seeing a hard time in your life come back around, and you can look at it without feeling that amount of pain, it takes a little while of looking at it. And sometimes you can't look at it, and then you can. When you can, and you look at it, and you realize how much you've missed of your own self. Am I all the way there yet? No. I'm still searching for my light. I'm still looking for it. I know it's there. I have faith. And this is just one more layer. And I realized it, and I hope that you can come to a place as you look back and you're in a state of peace, and you can see that, yeah, thank you for teaching me to love myself. Thank you for showing me that I was abandoning me. Thank you for teaching me to go within. Because in essence, everything is love. Yes, I know. Doesn't feel like it, does it? But it is. Because you chose it for yourself. I know that's hard to get around also. You'll come around and you'll see it. Just like I have. I've screamed and I hollered and I cried myself to sleep many nights. But right now, today, in this second, I'm grateful. I am. Hope this helps. Even if it doesn't, help me. And I thank you very much. Aho Masanis, with great love.